Not even an hour outside of Belfast is the magnificent Antrim Coast. Sea cliffs rise to meet remnants of eras long past, and where you'll find medieval castles in ruin and very much standing. I plan on enjoying tea at the Glenarm Castle, but before I embarrass myself not knowing which forks to use, I have work to do.
These stones built the castle, built all the surrounding walls, over 10 miles of walls, and there's over 14, 15 miles of built walls.
So I've got a lot of work ahead of me. Is that what you're saying, Nathan?
We've got a long day, a very long day. I'm Nathan Morrow. I'm a stonemason in the Glenarm Glen. I'm responsible for all the estate's management for masonry. So we've got our little stones, which can be pegs or wedges. A peg is something that's not structural, it just fills a hole.
Got it.
And a wedge is something that is structural.
Ah, all right.
Another stone sits on.
Balances it. Okay, because this is a big guy.
Yeah.
Wow, all right.
So the center is called a heart, and the heart is the most precious thing of everything.
Oh, jeez. The Irish are so good.
Sometimes.
So good.
I've always wanted to learn how to build a stone wall, and I don't appreciate being heckled.
We're talking here. He's trying to teach me how to build a rock wall. Could you keep it down?
These guys and that guy is the reason why these walls need maintained.
Oh, I'm not going to yell at that guy.
Actually, Barney's a big softie.
Oh, Barney the bull.
Barney the bull. He's a big softie.
Now that Barney is safe, it's time to head indoors and enjoy a real castle, where the current Earl of Antrim and his family still reside.
Afternoon, Samantha.
Hello, how are you? Oh, very nice.
Welcome to the home of the Earls of Antrim.
How many earls were there?
Well, this castle was built by the first Earl. It's now home to the 15th Earl of Antrim.
Wow.
George Lynn, the butler, likes to show visitors an actual treasure chest from the wreck of a ship in the Spanish Armada from 1588.
This is the key of it.
No.
Yes, isn't it wonderful? Oh. Will I help you with it?
Does this mean I'm not a queen or a princess? I don't get the gold.
You're not going to get the gold, yes. Will I just... There we
Oh
are.
my gosh.
There's a knack to it. Okay, have you got it? There we are.
Are those wings?
Inside, the family keeps their Halloween costumes. Nobility. They're just like us. Both Nathan and I cleaned up nicely, and joining us is Adrian Morrow, the grounds manager who grew up on the property.
And this is our castle blend tea. Here we are, and a little hot water.
You're going to spoil us today, George.
Ah, thank you. And I'll just get the little savouries and get things started.
Thank you. Do I pour this myself or do I wait for George?
Nope, castle protocol, George pours. And now that the tea was flowing, conversation could too.
Adrian, how long have you been here?
About 40 years. My father started here as the chauffeur in 1960 on his first morning to work. There was a Rolls Royce at the front door, and the Earl hopped into the back of the Rolls Royce and told my father that he was going to be driving him to Dublin. So my father managed to get the car started up okay. When he got round to the main gate at the back, he says, "Excuse me, your lordship, do you turn left or turn right for Dublin?" He'd never been out of Glenarm in his life before.
Oh my gosh.
So the old lord said, "I'll drive, you hop in the back." So he actually chauffeured my father the whole way to Dublin.
This is beautiful, and I imagine it takes a lot of work to maintain. And as the estate manager, what are you responsible for? Is it just the physical property that we're in right now, or the whole shebang?
No, the whole shebang, right across the board. We've got our farm and all the land. We've got our gardeners. So
There's so much learning involved in the conservation around the estate. But that's what I love about it. That's why I'm sitting at high tea.
Glenarm Castle is open to the public for tours, attracting 100,000 visitors a year. Now, not everyone gets an invitation from the Earl of Antrim for high tea, but a few steps away from the castle is a shop filled with slightly less formal delights.
I heard there is homemade ice cream here, and I
Yep,
just thought,
lots
well,
of
I
it.
have to try this. Homemade using the milk from the local cows?
Yep.
And are those your girls right there?
Yeah, those are the cows on the wall, yeah.
Oh my gosh. Well, I would love to. Oh, do you do samples?
Yeah, of course.
Oh. Oh, wow. I think I just moved.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Tell the girls thank you as well.
I will do. Thank you. Bye.
So did you like that experience? Well, click here for the full episode and here to subscribe. We make sure that all the experiences that I do have, you can have as well. Like, I'm not this VIP having experiences that you will never be able to afford or even have. Like, everything I do is accessible for the travelers.